All right, this is Neil, and this video is going to cover three really quick topics. First, we're going to cover aluminum bus bar, the battery layout for the Nissan Leaf cells, and then finally the bus bar template here that I made in Fusion 360 and printed out on a 3D printer. So first, with the bus bar, I chose aluminum because that's what I had. This is about a 1/4 inch thick and 1 3/8 inch wide. So this should, according to all the ampacity tables that I found online, should be able to handle well over 500 volts, 525, 550. I'm looking to run, I'm sorry, not volts, amps. I'm looking to run 275 amps, continuous, which is the rating of my controller, and 450, I think, 475 in a burst mode. But even then, my controller can only handle it for a few seconds, and this should max out at about 550 amps. So what I did was I cut it out of this aluminum plate. I believe they went to a CNC that I got at the local makerspace, Hack RVA, and now the next thing that I had to do was to make this template because I cut it out with the angle grinder, so it's not exactly uniform. So this will get everything cut to a uniform size and shape. So it's just goes on like that, and take the Sharpie and mark it out. It's even on this side here. I may not necessarily do it, but cut that side because it's not that much. But yeah, so there we have that, and then I just cut the pattern out on the bandsaw. So, all right, let's All right, there it is. So, we have these marked, pretty rough, which is the way I want. So I'll just throw these on the bandsaw, cut them out, get them on a belt sander, and clean up the edges and deburr and whatnot, and we just go from there. So yeah, so next up, we're gonna go over battery layout very quickly, and then after that, it's gonna be how I created this template in Fusion 360 and printed it out on a 3D printer.